And before joining Neolife, I've been working I've been in the field of toxicology for several years.
Prije uključivanja u ovu tvrtku Neolife radio sam u području toksikologije nekoliko godina.
I've been working in a company, I've been working for a company evaluating the toxicity of different product ingredients.
Dakle, radio sam za tvrtku koja je proučavala toksičnost različitih sastojaka.
Cosmetics, chemicals, pharmaceuticals.
Farmaceutski proizvod ili kozmetika ili kemijski proizvod.
Well, and I met Gnld one day, 10 years ago.
Prije 10 godina upoznao sam Gnld.
And I suddenly realized we had the best products on the market.
I shvatio sam da imamo najbolje proizvode na tržištu.
In terms of safety and efficacy.
I to u smislu učinkovitosti i sigurnosti proizvoda.
And I had the knowledge at that time to understand this.
I imao sam potrebno znanje kako bi to shvatio.
And then our company is also a very old company, 57 years old.
Naša tvrtka je također tvrtka sa određenom tradicijom, 57 godina.
So it means that we have to be a serious company.
To znači da moramo biti ozbiljna kompanija.
Otherwise we would have quit our business a long time ago.
Jer bismo inače bankrotirali prije puno.
And there's another reason why I'm still working and I joined Gnld 10 years ago.
Postoji još jedan razlog zašto sam se uključio i zašto sam još uvijek dio Gnld-a nakon 10 godina.
It's our scientific advisory board.
To je naš znanstveni savjetodavni odbor.
Which is a pool of scientists.
To je jedna skupina znanstvenika
Put together by the management of Gnld.
Koji je uprava Gnld-a okupila.
To advise them in the scientific area.
Kako bi davali savjete u znanstvenom području.
And they are of a great value.
I oni su zaista vrijedna imovina.
They are the reason why we still have products that leading edge products.
Oni su razlog zašto još uvijek imamo vodeće proizvode.